clogged toilet is an issue that needs an urgent solution. This condition makes the toilet unusable. Although a plunger can assist you, an effective cleaning method will give the ultimate solution. There will be several options, but you may wonder about one question. Why put dish soap in toilet at night? A dish detergent toilet like Dawn can be used to clean your toilet and solve clogging issues. You can even mix it with other household items for the desired efficacy. It's also fine to only add dish soap to the clogged toilet and let it stay overnight. Some may be reluctant to put dish soap in the toilet overnight as the product is made for a different purpose. They may think about consequences like dish soap clogged toilet. What happens if you put dish soap in your toilet? The answer to this question can convince them. How to resolve toilet clogs with dish soap. If you haven't tried this process yet, you need a guide on how to unclog a toilet with dish soap. You'll need to let it sit for several minutes to get rid of the clog. It's recommended to do it at night as the toilet is not in demand during this period. Based on my experience, cases that are not too serious can be resolved in just 15 minutes.